Welcome everybody to today's class. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. Today I am wearing a blue t-shirt and black shorts, and today it is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's hot, maybe 23, 24 degrees Celsius, or it will be 23, 24 degrees. So I am in a good mood, a good mood. It means I am happy. I am happy today. Today we are studying adjectives. Adjectives are describing words, words that describe nouns. Adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives are words like big, small, long, short, fat, thin, and they describe nouns: hair, lesson, person, arms, legs, suitcase, luggage. They describe things. These are things. These are objects, things, nouns. Adjectives describe nouns. Okay, so we will learn opposites. Opposites. Yeah, opposites. For example, black is the opposite of white. Yeah, black is the opposite of white. Yeah, and big is the opposite of small. Yeah, big is the opposite of small. I think everybody knows big, small. A big house, a small house. A big car, a small car. A big hotel, a small hotel. Yeah, lots of nouns work with big, small. Now we can also say tall. Tall is when a person is maybe 180 centimetres. Tall, 180 centimetres. Yeah, I am 180 centimetres tall, so I am tall. Yeah, I am tall. Short or small is maybe 150 centimetres. My wife is maybe 150 centimetres, so she is short, or she is small. Yeah, she is small. But I am tall. I am tall. So a tall person, a short person, or a small person. A small person, a short person, or a tall person. Okay? New is the opposite of old. Yeah? A new TV, an old black and white TV. Yeah? A new book or an old book. Okay? Now, when you describe people, you can say he is tall, she is small, and you can say he has long hair. Yeah, I don't have long hair. I have short hair. I have short hair. Yeah, I don't have long hair. I have short hair. But maybe you have long hair. You might have, you might have long hair. Maybe you have long hair. Now, we can say long and short for lesson. Yeah, so a short lesson is maybe 3 minutes. A short lesson, 3 minutes. A long lesson, 33 minutes. Yeah, it's a long lesson. A long lesson. It's 33 minutes. So you can talk about long hair, short hair, and you can talk about long lesson. A long lesson, 1 hour, 2 hours, or a short lesson, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, very short lesson. Okay, we can talk about fat. A fat person. It means somebody who is maybe 300 kilograms, very fat. Or we can talk about a thin person. Thin. I am quite thin. Yeah, Dave is quite thin. I'm not very fat. I'm quite thin. But you can say, I have thin arms. Yeah, thin arms. It's true. I have thin arms. I have thin legs. Yeah, I have thin legs. So it's the opposite of fat. Fat, thin. But you can talk about fat people. Remember, one person, but 2, 3, 4 people. Yeah, one person, 2, 3, 4 people. You can talk about fat people or thin people, but it's a bit rude. Fat, be careful, it's a bit rude. It's a little bit, a bit, yeah, a bit. It means a bit rude. Yeah, it's a bit rude. People don't like the word fat. Nobody likes if you say you are fat. No one likes that. No one likes that. So be careful. Okay, we have heavy, light. Heavy is maybe 70 kilograms. Light is maybe half a kilogram. Yeah, so you can have a heavy suitcase. Yeah, oh, you can't pick it up. It's so heavy. It's very heavy. A heavy suitcase. Or you can have a light suitcase. Light suitcase, maybe half a kilogram. And remember, when you travel abroad, when you go to another country, you go to the airport and maybe you take heavy luggage. Yeah, luggage is suitcase. Maybe you take heavy luggage, 70 kilograms, 100 kilograms. Maybe you take light luggage. I take light luggage, maybe 10 kilograms, 15 kilograms. It's light, my suitcase. My suitcase is light. I take clothes, maybe a laptop. Yeah, remember a laptop? A laptop. It's a computer that you've put on your legs. Yeah, a laptop. I take clothes, I take a laptop. I don't take heavy things on holiday. I don't take heavy things. My suitcase is light. Okay? We have cheap and expensive. Do you remember? Yeah, a cheap holiday is maybe £50. An expensive